Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button. The Fiat 1100 is a classic car model that has a significant place in the history of the Italian automaker Fiat. The Fiat 1100 series has been produced in various iterations over the years. Was first introduced in 1937 and continued production through various series and updates until the 1960s. The Fiat 1100 gained popularity not only in Italy but also internationally. Its affordability, practicality, and ease of maintenance contributed to its success in various markets. The production of the Fiat 1100 eventually phased out in early 1960s as Fiat introduced new models to replace it. Today, certain models of the Fiat are considered classic cars and they are sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. But what I saw on the street proves that some cars are abandoned.